My project is on the audit of the GIS system for the GPS technology program at a natural gas utility. Let's quick discuss the background of the GPS technology program at NiSource. Now, by 2007, natural gas utility pipes and facilities were maintained using MicroStation. The legacy GIS was created in 2007 by a company in India that digitized the assets. Now, this legacy GIS has been known for a lot of errors, such as pipes being mapped on the wrong side of the street, which has been leading to a large number of damages, which are a major safety concern. Now, new regulations since then has been put in place that require natural gas facilities to know the exact location of their facilities. Subsequently, the GPS technology program was developed in 2015. This slide shows the GPS equipment that's used for this project. The main pieces of equipment are the Trimble R10 GNSS receiver, the TSE3 controller, and the SPAR 300. This is a quick walkthrough of the currently designed workflow of the GPS technology program. When vendors or NiSource employees collect points, they are uploaded to the TCC cloud. Once approved by the vendor, they are transferred from the TCC cloud to the pre-production geodatabase using FME. In this geodatabase, points are put through the deliverable review process, where they are approved or rejected based on GPS attributes. Next, approved points will be transferred again using FME to the GPS production geodatabase, where they will go through a quality review process. In this process, points are reviewed to ensure that they are spatially accurate, and corrections to the legacy pipeline datasets will be made. Finally, approved points will be made visible within the 3GIS Network Express web map. Let's look at some recommended improvements and benefits. The first one will be delivery by the GPS support staff. The GPS points now are currently being accepted and rejected on if the GPS attributes meet the NiSource data collection standards. Now, GPS staff have little experience with ArcMap. That's leading to a bunch of errors. This process can be automated using Python. Additionally, it's recommended that a 3-level version tree be put in place so that no one is editing the default geodatabase directly. The next recommendation is application development to enhance the quality review performed by GIS technicians. There are currently a handful of applications being developed to support this process, one of which is called the Fabricator. The purpose of this application is to substantially streamline the approval process of GPS points and the creation of future action areas. The tool creates polygons with specific subtypes and calculates the lengths of future action areas. The next two recommendations work together. It's recommended that the quality control will be done within the vendor's geodatabase. A separate TCC cloud will be set up for the vendors to import their JXL files. It is also recommended that there be regular updates at weekly intervals. This will reduce duplication of GPS points and allow for a greater ability to audit the vendor's deliverables. The final recommendation is to develop a web map that shows the value of the GPS technology program. There are a handful of reasons as to why this is needed. The first is that there are many construction and operations workers who are union employees, and GPS collection is currently not written into their contract. Second reason is because points were slow to be added onto Arc server and thus being able to be visible onto the web map. This delay of 6 months was a major oversight, and many employees thought that the collection of GPS points was stopped because of this. Final reason is some employees still don't understand the value of GPS technology and how it can enhance the safety of natural gas utilities. It is recommended that an additional web map be designed and developed showing the value of the GPS technology program. This will be done by displaying the incorrect legacy facilities in Map 1 and the corrected facilities with the GPS in Map 2, and a vertical slider will be able to move back and forth, showing the drastic changes thanks to GPS. This audit found a variety of ways in which this program can be improved, and by taking the necessary steps, we can ensure the safety of frontline workers and customers.